Okay, this is Course 2, Chapter 8, Lesson 9 on volume with Block 3, and I am Mrs. McCowan. Today we're looking at justifying and applying formulas for volume of pyramids and cones. So now we're going to look at example number 1. We're going to find the volume of each pyramid to the nearest tenth, and we're going to estimate if this is a reasonable answer. Can I have somebody tell me what is the base of this pyramid? Sherrod?
5.
Sherrod says 5.
Times 7.
Times 7, that is correct.
Equals 35.
Thank you, Sherrod, equals 35. So now, okay, so Sherrod said it's 35. Now I input this into my formula. 1/3 times 35 times the height. What is the height, Ashlyn?
4.
4, that is correct. Now in your calculator, what I want you to do is multiply 35 times 4 divided by 3. And the reason why I don't want you to multiply by 1/3 is because you may not get the exact answer. Alicia, what is your answer?
46.666.
Excellent. So that is correct. And we're going to round the 6 to 7. So we're rounding to the nearest tenth. Now if we were to estimate this, we would estimate that it's about 33 times 4. And that would be about 44 feet cubed. B. So now we have a different prism, and we need to look at the base. What's the base of this? Wilfredo?
30 times 25.
30 times 25, that is correct. And so when we do our base, we also know that it is a triangle, so we have to multiply by 0.5 or 1/2. So then if we multiply this, we find that, Alex?
It's 750.
750. Did you divide by 2?
No, I'm sorry. 375.
375, that is correct. So we found the area of the triangular base. Okay, now we're going to multiply what Alex found for us, 375 times the height, which is 26, and then we're going to divide by 3, which is much easier than multiplying by 1/3. Did someone find the answer in their calculator? Alex? 3,250 feet cubed is correct. And if you'd want to do this by estimating, you could estimate that it's about 360, and that 360 times a half, or times 1/3 times 25 is about 120, which is about 3,000 feet cubed. Blank here. The first number, what is the first number?
8.
8, thank you. The second number, Miss Cameron? 7. And the third number?
4.
4, that is correct. So when you multiply all these numbers and divide by 3, you get, Jalen? 74.6.
I got. Oh, no.
Did you round up?
I got it. 74.7.
Was it 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6? So then you round up to 7. Awesome, that is correct. Michael, can you tell us what goes in the first blank? 19, that is correct. In the second blank? 9, that is correct. In the third blank?
Numbers that we 12.
12, that is correct. So what you need to do first, Michael, did you do this first? Multiply these? Okay, so multiply 19 times 9 divided by 2. And your answer, Cameron?
So what about the Chinese?
Okay, for this one, Christopher got 85.5.
What?
Did you multiply by 12 then? It equals, and then divide by 3. So 342 is Christopher's answer. That is correct. Excellent job. Porting. Find the volume of the cone to the nearest tenth. Notice it said that on the last problem and this problem. We're going to use 3.14 for pi. So let's find out and fill in our blanks. So we have pi, which is 3.14 times radius. What's the radius? Lewis, 5. That's correct. Loreline, what's 5 times 5? 25. That is correct. And then we're going to multiply by the height, which is 6. So now put these in your calculator. 3.14 times 25 times 6 divided by 3. Awesome. That is correct. 157 yards cubed. Okay, now to find this, they're telling us that this is about 1. So if you were to multiply 1 times 25 times 6 on your calculator, what would you get? 1 times 25 times 6. Alicia? 150. That is correct, which is about the same as this. So that would be a good estimation. Okay, so we have radius. What is the radius, Jalen? 4. That is correct. So 4 times 4 times the height, Samuel? 7. Excellent, Samuel. And so on your calculator, you need to multiply 3.14 times 4 times 4 times 7. And then divide by 3. And you'll find that the answer is, Sherrod?
117.226. So I'm not saying that last number.
117. That's too large. Did you divide by 3?
Yeah.
Look.
Is it 37.3? I don't want to say the number because I kind of like my soul.
You know what happened?
What? You did wrong. We didn't do 3.
No, you didn't take the radius. You did diameter.
See, that's what I got. That's what I got.
And Lewis, what did you get?
29.3. He said the
29. Sherrod's blaming it on Samuel. 29.3. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have a question, go back and watch the video again. Ask Mrs. McCowan a question or come in the morning for extra tutoring. Thank you from Block 3.